MAHLE original air filters reduce up to 99.9% of airborne particles, assuring an optimal air-fuel mixture. The high dust holding capacity ensures long service life even under extreme environmental conditions. A special folding system of the filter media, called MicroStar, has produced better results than any other system. Pure foam is used to seal the filter media and separate the dirty side from the clean side at the pleat ends. Every MAHLE original air filter has the most superior filtration technology available under any hood. MAHLE Original, filtration perfected.